In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get free stuff on Wayfair by leveraging some legal hacks and rewards. Let's explore these tried and true tactics that make savvy shopping such an enjoyable experience. To kick things off, join Wayfair Rewards. For a modest annual fee of $29, this membership offers perks like extra rewards and occasional credits that you can apply towards future orders. It's a small investment that pays off in the long run by enhancing your shopping benefits and savings. Next, make sure you sign up for emails or texts from Wayfair. As a new member, you often receive promotional codes offering up to 10% off, and the best part is that exclusive coupons are regularly sent directly to your inbox. It's wise to do this right after setting up your account to maximize the potential discounts available to you. Another fantastic tip is to leverage referral and invite programs. By inviting friends to shop on Wayfair, using your referral link, you not only share the joy of shopping but also earn rewards or credit dollars when they make qualifying purchases. It's a win-win for everyone involved. Furthermore, always keep an eye out for site-wide sales and clearance events such as Way Day and seasonal clearouts. During these special times, Wayfair offers significant discounts, sometimes up to a whopping percentage off or free shipping, allowing you to snag items at near free prices. If you're a content creator, consider joining the Wayfair Creator or Influencer programs. These initiatives often provide free product samples, opportunities for collaborations, or even paid partnerships, making it a good opportunity for those who produce engaging content. For those who use credit cards, take advantage of Wayfair's credit offers or new cardholder promotions. These offers can sometimes result in immediate discounts or statement credits. Just be sure to review the terms and conditions to fully understand the benefits and requirements. Moreover, make use of cashback and coupon tools like Rakuten and Honey. By stacking these with Wayfair's own coupons, you can dramatically cut costs. While this may not make your purchases entirely free, it certainly lowers the expense significantly. Don't forget to participate in giveaways and contests held by Wayfair and its partners. Following their official channels and creators keeps you in the loop for these opportunities. Just be sure to verify the validity and read the official rules before entering. It's crucial to steer clear of